to earn in BTC. Okay, so all you just need to do, make sure you have a network connection, navigate yourself to this amazing website, which I'll be going to share with you right away. So this is the website, they call it cashbits.com. I'm going to show you the direct website and its correct spelling so that you can just quickly sign up. The sign up process is very friendly. You can just sign up and start making money in BTC. Okay, but before I go into that fully, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any amazing video of this very nature, it will get to you immediately. And also do well to kind of give my video a like and share my video as well. So all you just need to do is to come to this amazing website. You can see, scroll down, you see a proof of a lot of members who has been paid through wallet address and many more. Okay, according to this website, it has a total uses of 80,000. Oh, it has a total uses of over 80,000 and full set claims of over 14,000. Okay, so and the offer completed on this very website are also 591,000. That is over 591,000. Then on this very website you can as well see the recent payout. Okay, the recent payout is in what is in BTC, as I said earlier. So you can see 10 bits Satoshi. Okay, this there are a lot of people who also use Satoshi wallet to collect their payment from here. You can see these are people's address. Okay, you can see these are people wallet address. We can see another, this person has been paid 66 bits. Okay, this person has also been paid, this person has been paid. You can check, look at it carefully, and all these are a lot of proof. Okay, then this website is trying to show us how good it has been doing since few years back. Okay, as of 2019 it already paid 0.71 to our users. That's as of 2019. Since 2019 they have paid 0.7 BTC, which is a lot of money. Okay, so what are you exactly waiting for? All you just need to do is to join now. It's free, you pay no dime on this very platform. All you just need to do is to perform a little task, and you get paid in BTC, as we said earlier. So all you just need to do, the website is here. Now you look at the top of the search bar here, you can see our cash bit, which is QASHBITS.com. Okay, we use cookies, which is acceptable. So you can see, you can as well take up your phone now, navigate yourself to this very website and start earning in BTC. All you just need to do is to have an Android smartphone or iPhone, laptop, and the major thing you need is just a network connection and start earning immediately. Okay, so you can just check. Okay, so how do you sign up now? You can just come to this place and click on join. It's free for you to sign up, and you can as well, I'm clicking OK here. You can as well come up to the right hand side and click on these three lines. If you click on these three lines, an option has been given. You want to log in or you want to sign up. So since now I assume you don't have an account, so all you just need to do is to sign up. It's very simple and it's user friendly. The moment you sign up, all you just need to do is start earning BTC. So let's go to the process of signing up. We're gonna going to do this together from the beginning to the end, and you'll see how it looks like. So you can see on the signing up processes, all you just need to do, make sure you choose a username and email address, create the password, choose a gender, and my country is showing here Nigeria because I'm doing this from Nigeria. Then the next thing that you just need to do is to click on this box which shows that I'm not a robot, and click on and tick on this three box. I have read and agree. I have read and agree to abide by cookies. I want to receive news and update via newsletter. So if you want all these, all you just need to do, tick all the boxes which I advise you to do, and click on sign up, so that whatever comes up immediately, it will be sent to you, and you will be able to use that means to earn from this very amazing website. Okay, so all you just need to do, choose your username, email, password, gender, and as well your country. Okay, and also don't forget you must include your valid BTC wallet address, and the next thing you just need to do is to click on register. So if you click on register, this message will pop up to you. We have sent an email confirmations. If you don't see your confirmation email, please check your spam mailbox. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my email now and check for this email confirmations and come back to this very website. So okay, the moment you click on the link on your email, it will bring you to this very place and show you that email address was successfully verified. Okay, so all you just need to do is to log into this very amazing website and always click on the captcha. Okay, now it has ticked the captcha. The next thing I just need to do is to log in. So you can see we are currently being logged in, and just give it a look, see how some of those things are. And on this very platform, don't forget there are a lot of ads here running which they want you to really interact with. Okay, you can see this is my dashboard. You see one survey available and up to 4,260 credit. So you can see these are some of those tags. You can see here, invite your friends and more. So this is a referral link which I'm going to drop it at the comment section or the descriptive section of this very video, so that you can use it to sign up. Okay, you can look nice default. So claim free bits every 5 minutes. Okay, so on this very places, all you just need to do, for every 5 minutes you can come to this place and claim BTC every 5 minutes. Don't forget, claim free bits. Okay, you want to claim this free bits, put in this please enter the captcha text, just put in the captcha text and roll and win. Okay, you can see lucky numbers reward, rule 1 to 90, and whatever. There are a lot of things here you can do, and you make a lot of money. So roll exactly 99.9.999 to win the jackpot of 4,160 or in bits. Okay, so what should I need to do? Let's quickly do this together and see. So I just fill in this. Let me roll and see, roll and win. Showing place wait. So let's check. Okay, you can see I just spine, but I haven't won yet. So all you just need to do is to keep spining, keep taking the surveys, and you will earn a lot. So scroll down, and whatever you need here will be show up to you. Okay, you can see there are a lot of benefits here. You can see my account balance currently. There's no bit yet, bit end today, nothing yet, because we just sign up and we are going to start all this together, and we're gonna go into earn a lot. Okay, in this place as well, you can claim a donate and a lot more. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I do not wish for the video to be too long. So all you're going to do, if you the moment you sign up, come to this place and copy your referral link. You can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google, and a lot place. Okay, so I will drop mine, and make sure you sign up with it, and do not forget to like the video, share the video, and as well subscribe if you are new to this very channel. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.